Today, I'm going to talk about the importance of validation in the world of assessments. Our team has the fortunate opportunity to work with many clients to empower them to achieve their strategic goals. And for a majority of these tasks, we are utilizing assessments. These tools help our clients with their hiring process, training and development, executive searches, organizational alignment, and more. In doing this work, we take selecting the right assessment to produce the desired outcomes as a trusted responsibility and treat it seriously. One of the key components in this task is to make sure the assessment is validated. So what does that mean? For those who may not be aware of this term, validation is crucial for assessments to establish their reliability and validity, ensuring they offer accurate and valuable information. Both the EEOC and the Uniform Guidelines mandated by the federal government require that any assessment utilized for employment purposes must be either non-discriminatory or validated. Ideally, assessments should be both. While certain assessments may be intended for post-employment and training or development, it is considered best practice to still ensure that the tool is a validated one. Be aware that numerous assessments commonly used lack validation at any level, and some are freely available on the internet. While they may be based on compelling concepts and ideas from books, there's no assurance that they genuinely measure what they claim to measure. More critically, there is no documentation demonstrating their ability to predict behaviors or performance. So what are some key types of validation? 1, content validation. This ensures that the assessment's content accurately reflects the knowledge, skills, and abilities required for the job, measuring job-related competencies as intended. 2, criterion-related validation. This is considered to be one of the most desirable forms. It establishes a link between the assessment scores and job performance criteria, determining if the assessment predicts job success by aligning scores with the actual performance of a candidate. 3, construction validation evaluates the underlying constructs or traits the assessment intends to measure, ensuring that it's accurately measuring those specific skills or qualities. 4, face validity. This assesses the extent to which the assessment appears to measure what it's intended to measure on the surface, which helps to foster trust and acceptance not only amongst the test takers, but those issuing the assessment. For instance, if this assessment is for mechanical aptitude, the question should be asking about tools and mechanical measures. 5, concurrent validation. This measures and compares assessment scores with existing employee performance data to assess the effectiveness of differentiation between high and low performers. And lastly, predictive validation. This evaluates the assessment's ability to predict future job performance based on collected data from job applicants identifying high performers. This is considered to be the gold standard and one of the most difficult to accomplish. Here at Dame Leadership, meeting this validation criteria for any of the recommended tools is essential, and we always require our partners to provide us with documentation proving their diligence in accomplishing this goal. Thanks for your time, and for more information on this topic and how we use our assessments to enable clients to achieve their desired outcomes, please check out our site at www.dameleadership.com or click on the link to our blog below.